Hi guys, today I'm going to take you through the process of changing the spout seals for your kettle mini tap. Included in the seal kit is the changeover guide, some silicone grease, and most importantly the two O-rings. Not included in the kit, which you will require to remove the O-rings with, is a small screwdriver. The first stage of this process is to turn off the power on the front of the water boiler. We're now going to go up to the tap and draw off the boiling water from the system. We've now drawn off the boiling water from the system. We're now going to isolate the water via the green handle shut-off valve. We've isolated the water via the green handle shutter valve, and just before I remove the spout, I'm just going to draw off any remaining water in the system. That's the filtered side. And do the same for the boiling side. So now with the water all isolated, we're going to remove the spout, and what you've got here is the actual trim, and you've got like a small little line now. So what you want to do is just to get hold of the trim and just unscrew. When you pull the spout out, there'll be residue water in the spout. We'll just place it straight over the sink. Like so. That's that removed. Use the small screwdriver just to carefully prise out the old O-rings. Just place the new O-rings into position, just like so. And just getting some of the silicone grease provided in the kit on your finger and just spread over the O-rings like so. Then place the spout into a vertical position and just push it down like that. Tighten the spout trim back in position like that. Just give the spout a bit of a rotate. It's all moving nice and freely. What we're going to do now next is to turn on the water via the green handle shutter valve. We're going to turn on the filtered water, make sure there's no leaks around here and here, then do the same for the boiling water. Again, just checking for no leaks, which is all good. So once that's done, the next step is to turn on the power to the water boiler. Once the boiler has finished its heating cycle, that's the process done.